Hi, we have the VentureBrew portable espresso maker system right here. This is the main part. This has the battery and the water reservoir and everything right here. Now we're going to do the donut coffee French roast. It's a dark roast. So we're going to put some in here. These are coffee grounds. This also works with mini Nespresso capsules as well. So we're going to fill this up. And this acts as the scoop and the piece that you use to tamper in the coffee in this unit here. So once it's kind of full, you don't want to fill it all the way. You just tamper it down like this. Okay, make sure the grounds are in there pretty well. Okay, that's good. And now what we do is we put this together with okay, so now what we're going to do is put this top on the grounds that we tampered down, and you squeeze down like that, so it's all one piece. The coffee grounds go in this piece right here. It doesn't screw in, it just is like free floating right there. And then we put this on top, and this screws on all the way. Okay, it's nice and tight. And now what we're going to do is put the water into the reservoir on top. We're going to bring it all the way up to max. You can see the line on the inside going up to max right there. Okay, and now, pause it. Okay, now we're going to put this on top. That closes like that, and we put this over here, and now we turn it on. And now what's going to do is warm up the water inside, and we're going to pause the video until the water is warmed up. You can see right here, it'll go all the way to the top. When it's ready, it'll give another tone, and then we'll go ahead and brew the coffee so you can see that. Okay, so that's signifying that it's ready to go. And I'm going to go ahead and pour it in my nice Brewing cup. We're going to brew it right into here. So now we just press the button, and it's going to take a moment or two. Okay, it's going to be brewing here shortly. It got the water hot enough to go through. And this is the coffee grounds brewing right into my cup here with the VentureBrew portable espresso maker.